Hi everyone, this is Raymond. Hope you are doing well. In this video, let's talk about a nice way to make extra money beside your regular work, whether you are working as a print-on-demand designer or as an affiliate. And today's message depends on costumes. Yes, you heard right, costumes. And people always love purchasing costumes for different parties, holidays, and occasions. And currently, we are within the biggest and the most famous holiday over the year, which is Halloween, and other occasions, the most profitable period of the year at the final quarter of it, like Christmas. And of course, many people from adults to kids love purchasing other costumes for different superheroes and characters, for comic book characters like Batman, Spider-Man, Superman, and etc. and other costumes of other movies like Squid Game and so on. And for today's strategy, I would like to share with you this amazing website for today, that is myAnimic.com. Here you will find big collections of costumes for different occasions and holidays, Christmas, Halloween, and for different movie costumes, Squid Game, Harry Potter, Attack 2 Titans costume, and Naruto costumes, and much more of these beautiful costumes for kids and adults, and other game costumes as you see. Okay, and some other t-shirts and sweatshirts and hoodies and so on and so forth. And as you know, when kids wear costumes, it has a lot of benefits, like it makes them more comfortable and more confident to feel or look like someone else, like Spider-Man, Superman, and etc. And wearing costumes for kids helps them to develop more social skills, build a friendship, and be more outgoing. And it also makes them feel less shy, especially for kids with anxiety disorders and autism. Okay, so if we explore one of these beautiful categories like movie costumes, for example, you will find here a lot of movies. Okay, for Star Wars, for Villain, for Harry Potter, and much more as you see. Okay, for adults and kids, perfect for different movies like Squid Game, Star Wars, The Flash costumes, Wizard of Oz, Villain, superheroes, for Marvel, Superman, Spider-Man, Batman, Wonder Man, and something like that. As you see, Spider-Man suit for Batman, as he paddle, Aquaman, and much more. People always love purchasing these costumes, and for sure people always search for these costumes for different parties and occasions on Google. So if you have a look at this Google Trends, you will find these search terms: Squid Game costume, Squid Game's costume, and something for Halloween, comic book characters, and much more. And for sure people always look for these costumes on Pinterest, as you see, for Halloween, couple, for family, for group, for parties, as you see, kids and adults, okay, as you see. So they can purchase these costumes from this amazing website, myAnimic.com. And our today's rule is you can promote these costumes. So I mentioned at the beginning of this video, if you are working on print on demand or an affiliate marketing, this amazing way fits you. Okay, so you can promote these costumes everywhere like social media, Pinterest, Instagram, during your normal work to earn extra money beside your work. Okay, so how to promote these costumes and how to promote this amazing website. Firstly, you have to sign up in this amazing and one of the biggest affiliate networks out there, ShareSale.com. Here you can sign up here for free and you can just join this amazing affiliate program of myAnimic.com. And you can get 10% commission for every sale, as you see, for anime costume, t-shirt, hoodies, game costume, movie costume, and much more. So you can take advantage of the trends and the upcoming events like Halloween and Christmas, and to promote these costumes beside your designs for Halloween, for Christmas, or alongside your work as an affiliate for other products related to these occasions. And of course, you can join easily ShareSale.com even by using a blog spot with some few articles. Therefore, you would be approved here in ShareSale and join this amazing program, myAnimic, to promote these wonderful costumes everywhere, like on social media, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and etc. And regarding dealing with social media and promoting your affiliate products, you have to use landing page. And of course, I have talked about how to promote your affiliate products professionally in some videos. You'll find these videos below in the first comment. One of these beautiful methods is just by using this amazing website, which is so called justpaste.it. Justpaste.it. Here you can make a beautiful landing page to promote your costumes with your images, with your call to actions, with your clickable affiliate links. So you can promote this landing page, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, and much more. The next Amazon website, which is called Milanote.com. Milanote.com. If you want to promote your affiliate products professionally and attractively, so you have to use this amazing website Milanote.com for free. Here you can make what is so called mood board to promote your beautiful costumes. Okay, and for sure you will find this video below in the first comment. The next website for today is FYI.to. FYI.to. Here you can make a beautiful landing page with so-called smart list, where you can find an unbelievably thumbnail of your product and really good description with a call to action. And of course, I have talked about this amazing website before. You will find this video below in the first comment. And this amazing website as well, that's so-called strikingly.com. Strikingly.com. Here you can make a website or a landing page to promote your affiliate products or your costumes on social media, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, Quora, and etc. And of course, I have talked about this amazing website before. You will find this video below in the first comment. Okay, and for sure, I'm always talk about many ways to promote your products, whether they are affiliate products or print-on-demand products on social media professionally by using amazing tricks and methods. You'll find these videos in the description box. Okay, so from now on, you can take advantage of this beautiful website, mynmx.com, and promote these wonderful costumes according to occasions, events, parties, movies, and much more alongside your normal work. So if you are working on print-on-demand business, normally you can make your designs about topics, fields, niches, occasions. So you can promote these beautiful costumes while you promote your print-on-demand products on social media. And if you are working as an affiliate, so you can add these products as an extra money on the table during your normal workflow. So that way you can cope with the trends and the occasions and make the best of people love to this type of products, costumes. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.